Hi, I'm Ashley DiMercurio with Your Reading Tutor. In today's video, I'm going to tell you just what Your Reading Tutor is. I'm going to share with you the tools I use to do my job and why maybe this is just what you're looking for to help your child with reading. Let's go. So, what is Your Reading Tutor? Your Reading Tutor is one-on-one, private, online tutoring sessions where your child will get customized, individualized instruction based on the results I get from the initial assessment and consultation. The initial assessment gives me the information I need to create targeted reading lessons for your students. I will assess a variety of things depending on the student's age and skills. I often assess sight words, phonics, fluency, and reading comprehension. The goal of our sessions is to close their gaps using a targeted and individualized instruction program. You might be wondering, how does this work? Well, I use a free video conferencing tool called Zoom. It's quick, easy, and free for you to download. So all of my sessions are done online, right in the comfort of your home. This works out really great for me and my students. No commute time for either of us, and it allows much more scheduling flexibility. We'll be able to see and hear each other, and I can even share my screen with my students. Let me tell you about some of the tools I use for my job. I can use Google Slides to present material, a digital whiteboard for writing out words that we're practicing, and I use a website called Reading A to Z. I love this website because it allows me to create an account for your child where I can assign books at his or her reading level. This is a huge perk of working with me. I use their account during our sessions, but you also have access to it in between our sessions. So it's a way to really maximize your child's growth during our time together. I'm available to my clients to chat via email or a phone call to discuss the student's progress or any concerns you might have. Okay, so why me? Why Your Reading Tutor? I have 7 years of experience in a traditional classroom setting. And as of August 2019, I have 2 years of experience teaching reading and ESL online. I have completed my reading interventionist certification, and I've done several different trainings over the last year in phonics and the Orton-Gillingham method of instruction. Many of my past clients have said that I am patient and able to connect with students in a way that helps them feel more comfortable and open to learning from me. I work hard to make online learning engaging and fun. So, what are you waiting for? If this sounds like the solution you've been looking for, then head on over to www.yourreadingtutor.com and subscribe to my website. Please email me. I'd love to hear from you. So thanks again for being here. Please subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon so you get notifications when we post new content. Thanks. See you next time.